What a difference 8 months make. Baby gorilla Zeytin looked frightened when customs officials at Istanbul airport rescued him last year from a plane's cargo hold. Smugglers had tried to traffic him to Thailand. But now Zeytin, which means olive in Turkish, is doing well enough to return to his natural habitat in Nigeria. He's been receiving medical care, proper nutrition, and a safe environment at this Istanbul zoo.
İlk geldiğinde 62 santimdi boyu, şu anda 80 santime çıktı. Bir taraftan kilosu da yaklaşık 9 kilogramdı, şu anda 16 kiloya yaklaştı. Sağlığı gayet yerinde, özgüveni yerine geldi, göğsüne vurmaya başladı, salıncakta sallanıyor, bakıcılarıyla güreşmeye başladı.
Plans to return Zeytin to a wildlife sanctuary in Nigeria are underway, Turkish authorities say, and that they are seeking assurances that he will have a good life and won't be subject to illegal trade again. Gorillas are internationally classified as a critically endangered species.